Hey y'all, so we got the trailer set up right here. Me and Gerardo came out to do this house behind us. All right, the customer's not home, but we can't do it because of the car right there. Okay, so I texted him. He didn't reply back. We've been waiting for 20 minutes. So, and like I said, I don't do this every day. Okay, because I do lawn care. I'm implementing pressure washing and house washing in our services. All right, so still learning, y'all. Okay, still learning. All right, sharing you with my trial and errors. But lesson learned. Okay, tell the customer. All right, text them, message them, call them. Hey, before I come, can you make sure your vehicles are parked on the street or not too close to the house because of overspray. Overspray may get on our vehicles or our property, and it could damage it. All right, so I don't want that, y'all. Okay, so we're just gonna go. We've been waiting for like 30 minutes, so we're just gonna pass. And I'll wait for him to call me or text me, okay? Yeah, time is money. We wasted time right now. All right, but we're gonna go look for a dirty house to wash it, okay? Or I'd rather leave than I'd rather leave and not put bleach on his car and having to pay for a new, for a paint job. All right, so hey, be careful. Don't take any chances. All right. What do you think, Gerard? Should we have took a chance?
Nope.
No, right? You mind if I film you?
Not at all.
All right. Don't take no chances, right? So we're gonna pass, y'all. We're gonna pass, okay? But I don't know if you see over there. Down over there, there's a house over there. All right. I knocked on the door because that side is real dirty. All right, but they didn't answer. Okay. I want to blame them too, man, because there's crazy people out there, you know what I mean? She probably thinks I'm some kind of crazy guy. All right, but anyway, y'all, hey, thanks for watching. Hey, be safe, make good decisions, don't take chances. All right, because if we take a chance on that house right there, and we have overspray on that vehicle, they're gonna be very upset, okay? And it's our fault, not the customer's fault, our fault, all right? Because we took a chance or we didn't warn them, all right? And probably say, you know what, thank you for telling me. Can you just come back tomorrow? All right, you know what I mean? So don't take a chance, y'all. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.